Okay, you can't really aim these, so I'm just gonna shoot it from like a foot away. I also have this one. So we're skipping this cardboard and going straight to super thick plywood. I'm gonna be shooting a pistol crossbow first with this bolt because I think it has the best chance. Let's try that again from a little further away. Stuck in. Also move the tip a bit further back, splitting the wood. Okay, I definitely know where that one hit. Maybe I'll try it from a bit closer. Long story short, it ended up in the pole. But also, if you wanted to know how the trigger works on this thing, this piece is basically an L, and this has a notch in it to where this will fit in. This also has a rubber band here, which will just keep tension on it. So once this gets pulled back, that snaps forward, and now you can't pull the sword. Okay, I want to try that again. If you're wondering, it landed by the trash can over there.